Thank you so much, everyone! Wow! Andito na po ang ating pong package. Galing po kay YouTube. Ito po yung ating silver play button. Yan. Thank you so much at umpisan na po natin buksan. I'm so excited! Yay! Nag-uumapaw talaga yung aking pong galak, tuwa at pasasalamat. Dahil hindi ko po narating ang mga bagay nito pag wala po kayo. Kaya habang binubuksan po natin ay lubos po akong nagpapasalamat sa inyong lahat. Hindi po kayo maisa-isa dahil 100,000 po kayo mahigit na aking pong pasalamatan. Thank you guys. Thank you. Napaka-excited yung nararamdaman po natin sa oras na ito habang nagbubukas. So, yan ang ating pong, wow! Mayroon pong maliit na card. Ang sabi po dyan, congratulations on your subscriber milestone. We are honored to take part in recognizing your achievement and want your experience to be exceptional. This award was inspected and packaged with great care by Rick. Yan. If your award was damaged during shipping or if you have any questions, please contact us, YouTube Creators, societyawards.com. Yan. Napaka-specific po yung kanila pong pag-send sa atin dahil updated po, ini-email sa'yo kung nasaan yung package. So, thank you YouTube! Thank you! So, ayan, sa likod naman niya, ayan, nandyan. At sa susunod, babasahin po natin. Do you remember your first subscriber? Your 100 or your 1,000 subscriber? Chances are you do, and you know that you'll definitely remember your 100,000 subscriber. Your fans may have found you while searching YouTube, learn about you through a friend, or maybe you showed up as a recommendations video. No matter how they came to your channel and your audience stayed and their numbers increased because of you and the community you built. We're proud to honor your impressive milestones of reaching 100,000 subscribers with the Silver Creator Award. Congratulations! We know that we have many more stories to share with your community, and we know your fans can't wait for you to amaze them even more with your commitment and creativity. So keep creating, keep building. We can't wait to see you, what you'll do next, and we're here to support you along the way. And who knows? When you reach your 1,000,000 subscriber, we may just write to you and ask, do you remember your 100,000 subscriber? Sincerely, Neil Mohan, CEO, YouTube CEO.